Hi guys, what is up? Welcome to the Field Studio. Today we will learn how to read the value of a resistor. Actually, it is fairly easy to read the value of a resistor code. There are no secret. Yeah, there is a secret. Ha ha ha. And it is the color code. There exists a standard in the electronic world for a resistor, and it is called the color code. I will write it down. Make sure you learn it. Once you've learned it once, you cannot forget, and you can read all resistor in the world. Here we go. The color code is the following: black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, gray, and white. There are also two other colors, which is the silver and the gold, but I will explain it a little bit later. First of all, there exist tons of different kind of resistor in our world, and the one I'm going to teach you how to read the value are the carbon film one. Look at this. This is a carbon film resistor. This one is a 4-band color code. I'm going to show you how to read them. This one was beige. This means by the size that it's around 1/4 of a watt. I am not going to tell you about the Ohm's law today because you don't even know how to read the value of a resistor. But in the next episode I will teach you everything about Ohm's law. This one is also a carbon film resistor. It's a bit bigger and you can see it's blue. This is 1/4 or 1/2 of a watt. And there also exists ceramic resistor. You don't have to read the color code because most of the time the value of the resistor is written on the resistor. They are made of ceramic and made to handle more power than these small resistor. There also exists the SMD resistor, but we won't go into this because you don't even know how to read a regular resistor value. But in the next episode it could be a topic. Now I'm going to draw a regular carbon film resistor with 4-band color code. A resistor look a little bit like a peanut when I draw it. Then we will draw the first color. There is another line here which is the 2nd band, and sometimes a 3rd band here, and at the end you will find the 4th band, which is the tolerance band. I will explain all of this in a second. First band, first digit. Second band, second digit. Third band, multiplier. Multiplier. Fourth band, tolerance. Sorry, this is in French. Black means 0 for the digit. The multiplier is 1. Brown. First digit, second digit, this is equal to 1. multiplier 10, tolerance around 1%, red 2, 100. So Nelek, this is really good, this is beautiful, but how do I read an actual real resistor? Here we have a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Why do I know it's a 1 kilo ohm resistor? Because it was written on the bag where I bought it, but I lost the bag, and now I want to make sure it is really a 1 kilo ohm resistor, and I lost my multimeter. It's at a friend's place in Poland, so I cannot go back there. So how do I do that? There are 4 bands colored on this resistor. The first one is brown. We write 1 here. The second one is black. We write 0 here. The third one is red. The multiplier, we will multiply 10 per 100. 10 multiplied by 100, 1000. This means that this resistor is 1000 ohm. The value is 1000 ohm. And you can see the last band is gold. The tolerance is there is the gold band for the tolerance around 10% and a silver band which is a tolerance around 5%, which means this resistor with a silver band has a much higher chance to be close to the value it is written. When you see the plus or minus 10%, is that you have to expect plus 10 or minus 10% of the original value. Let's say the resistor is 100 ohm. Well, you can expect something around 90 ohm or 110 ohm if you have the gold tolerance. So this is a 1 kilo ohm resistor. I will tell you a little bit about the real common resistor you can find. One of the common I can find is the 33 kilo ohm. How would you recognize a 33 kilo ohm? First, you have 3, so it will be orange. You need another 3 for the second digit. So orange, orange, and I need to multiply it to get 33 kilo ohm. The multiplier is 1000, so a 33 kilo ohm resistor is orange, orange, orange. Here another example, the 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. What do you guess the color code would be? Write it in the comment right now, and I hope you have the good answer. I will let you around 10 seconds. Starts now. Okay, that's enough. So 4.7 kilo ohm resistor, what do you think would be the color code? I hope you have the good answer. 4, the first digit, yellow. 4 4.7. Second digit? Kilo ohm. 47 multiplied by 100 will give you 4.700. To the color code: yellow, purple, and red for the 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. There exists variety of resistor, some with 5 digits. In this case, don't panic. This only means that you have 3 digits, a multiplier, and the tolerance. So you have 3 digits at the beginning, a multiplier here, the 4th band would be a multiplier, and the 5th band would be the tolerance. And some days ago, I also saw a 6 band color resistor. Don't freak out. 3 digit, 1 multiplier, 1 tolerance, and 1 band for the temperature. This is not something you are going to use daily as a regular electronic hobbyist or technician, but it is good to keep in mind that it is possible to have a 6 band color coded resistor. So don't freak out if you see this. I hope you really learned something, and I will post the documentation in the description of the video so you can keep it in your bookmark of your computer as a reference. So each time you want to read a resistor, just go into the picture and you will be able to easily determine the value of your resistor. So I hope you enjoyed this crash course. See you next time.